Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to recover your Township account. Alright, so there are not many ways to recover your account, but one of the first ones that you should try right away is logging into your social web account. So if, for example, you went to your settings and you have previously connected your Facebook account, for example, as you can see I have done here. If you have your Facebook account connected to your game, you need to just sign in again and your account will hopefully be recovered. If that's the option that doesn't work for you, didn't work for you, there's another way to do it. So for that, go to help and support, press on this button here, and now you need to click on the first link, which is the town disappeared. From there you should go to chat with us, and this will get you to the bot, inside of the game. Alright, so let's start a new conversation. So the first thing is to type in restore game, then press on town disappeared. So we are given a instruction on what to do next. So you want to try delete your game and reinstall it from the application store. So depending on which platform you're on, I'm on Android, you need to go ahead and delete the game and reinstall it. Then you need to reconnect your Facebook account or Apple ID for iPhones and try to restore your account this way. And then when logging in, you need to select your old town and then type confirm in the pop-up window and restore your account. And this is one of the ways to restore your Township account. If this helped you, please press the like button, and I will see you in the next tutorial.